In this video, we listed the 5 best Creality 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The 2024 Creality Ender 3v3 SE is an upgraded 3D printer designed for efficiency and ease of use. Made from aluminum, it boasts dimensions of 19.29 inches in depth, 14.33 inches in width, and 13.74 inches in height, with a manageable weight of 19.8 pounds. This model emphasizes speed, capable of printing at up to 250 mm per second with 2500 mm s² acceleration, surpassing its predecessors like the Ender 3 and Ender 3 Pro. Assembly is simplified to just 3 steps within 20 minutes, aided by features such as auto leveling and auto Z offset adjustment, ensuring a swift setup process. The printer's Sprite direct extruder supports various filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU, known for reliable performance across global markets. Structural stability is enhanced by a dual Z-axis design and robust Y-axis construction, minimizing wobbling and ensuring precise print quality. Additional features include a 32-bit silent mainboard for quieter operation, a flexible PC spring steel build plate for easy model removal, and automatic filament loading and unloading capabilities, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Number 2. Creality K1 3D printer. The Creality K1 SE is a robust 3D printer designed for ease of use, particularly suited for beginners and children. Made from aluminum and metal in a sleek black finish, it measures 14 inches in diameter, 19 inches in width, and 14 inches in height, weighing 15 kilograms. The printer boasts rapid setup with auto-calibration, eliminating traditional leveling tasks. It features a Core XY structure enabling speeds up to 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm s² acceleration, ensuring fast and stable printing within its enclosed space. The K1 SE incorporates a durable tri-metal nozzle for quick and easy swaps, supported by a 300 degrees Celsius direct extruder capable of handling various filaments including TPU, PLA, PETG, and ABS. It emphasizes high print quality with features like power loss recovery and vibration reduction for enhanced stability. Creality provides extensive after-sales support with a dedicated team of engineers and 24/7 customer service, offering a 1-year limited warranty and technical assistance. Number 3. Creality CR-M for large 3D printer. The Creality CR-M for 3D printer is a robust, quasi-industrial model designed for large-scale printing, boasting dimensions of 450 by 450 by 470 mm and a weight of 26.7 kilograms. It features precise dual Y-axis linear rails made of bearing steel, ensuring stability and a high load capacity of 30 kilograms. The all-metal Sprite direct dual-gear extruder facilitates smooth filament handling, supporting materials like TPU for high-precision printing. The printer includes advanced features such as genuine 25-point auto leveling with 0.05 mm accuracy, a flexible PC surface with a fast heating bed, and multiple connectivity options including Creality Cloud, USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi, enabling versatile and efficient production workflows across multiple units controlled via Creality's dedicated software platforms. Number 4. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Ender 3S1 Pro by Comgrow is a robust 3D printer designed to enhance printing efficiency and quality. Constructed from aluminum and finished in sleek black, it measures 10 inches in diameter, 9 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, weighing 1 kilogram. Notably, it boasts a printing speed of 200 mm per second, 4 times faster than typical 3D printers, ensuring quick and efficient model production. Equipped with an Sprite, all-metal direct drive extruder with 80 Newton pushing force, it excels in handling flexible filaments like TPU without slipping. The CR-Touch auto-level sensor enables precise nozzle height adjustment across the hotbed with its 16-point auto-leveling system, surpassing the accuracy of standard systems. Further enhancing versatility, It features a 300-degree high-temp nozzle for compatibility with a wide range of filaments such as ABS, PETG, and PLA, facilitated by upgrades like Z-axis dual screw and dual motor designed for smoother, higher quality prints. Additional user-friendly features include a 4.3-inch color touch screen, LED lighting for dark environments, a steel spring PEI sheet bed for better adhesion, and filament detection and power loss recovery functions, ensuring an enhanced printing experience. Number 5. Creality CR30 3D Printer. The SaneSmart CR30 is a robust 3D printer designed for continuous and large-scale printing applications. Constructed from metal and colored in sleek black, it boasts dimensions of 21.06 inches in depth, 25.83 inches in width, and stands 11.89 inches tall, weighing 36.4 pounds. Key features include its innovative infinite Z-axis capability facilitated by a rolling conveyor belt, allowing for uninterrupted printing of large or continuous parts. The wear-resistant conveyor belt ensures excellent layer adhesion and automates the print removal process, enhancing workflow efficiency. Supported by a stable core XY structure with isosceles right triangle support, it ensures precise and stable printing performance. Equipped with a high-quality dual-gear metal extruder and a 45-degree slanting nozzle, the CR30 can handle extended printing sessions of up to 200 hours. It includes an exclusive 3D print mill slicer, Creality belt, designed for user-friendly operation. Users are advised to verify their voltage compatibility, 115V for US, before powering up the machine.